So we're at 1500 Kings Court in Titusville, Florida. And I'm going to just give you a quick walkthrough of this property. This property is a 3-bedroom, 1 full bath, half bath property. As you can see, it has a living room and dining room combination area. It's pretty substantial as far as the square footage is concerned. A little bit over 1,400 square feet. It also has some built-in cabinetry here. We got light fixtures in all of the rooms here. This would be like the dining room. This is the living room combination family room area. On this side here, we have our kitchen. The property comes with all of the appliances, the 3-piece appliance set, which is the refrigerator, the electric stove, and the over-the-range microwave. The cabinets are in decent condition here. We do have some countertops going on here, and this is great for a nice fixer-upper project. In the laundry room, we have space for a washer and dryer hookup. In here, we also have the water heater and then the air handler for the HVAC unit here. Okay, there it is. That's where the filters go. So now we're gonna go down the hallway into the full bathroom. Don't you love it? Yep, it is pink. No, not really pink, but some kind of taupey color. But more importantly, green. So obviously, this is something that any investor can easily replace. More than likely, I'd probably just do the spray and just spray it out versus replace it. Maybe I'd replace the vanity, but that's about it. It's pretty good condition. Okay. All right. So here we're down the hallway. We got a closet right here. This is the master bedroom here. As you can see, really big open windows. The ceiling fans again, another walk-in closet, access to the roof here. And then this is where you have your half bath in here, or 2-piece. So you got a vanity and a commode and 2-piece. Okay. All right, so here we go. This is the master. And then we have our second bedroom in here. Nice closet space as well. And if you wrap around to the other area of the house that we just came from, then we have our third bedroom in here, which is fully tiled. Really nice area as well. And another closet. The house next door just recently sold, and I believe the one across the street just recently sold, and it's being renovated as we speak. All right, so here we have this 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. Let's talk about what needs visually as I inspect it, what could be changed. We have some updating right here. I believe that may have been some discoloration right there. We also have some discoloration right here in the hallway. I was told by the previous tenant that the ducts for the AC was not sealed, and we have some damage right there. Other than that, this property here, interior paint, exterior paint. It also has a screened-in backyard as well. Let's see. Okay, so screened in backyard. There goes the screen, right? Screen porch, not screened in backyard, but screen porch, if you will. There you go. And that's about it. Yeah, let's lock that up. Alrighty. 1500 Kings Court, Titusville, Florida.